Many users face unexpected monitor black screens following AMD Driver updates. After encountering this specific AMD Driver 2662 automatic update monitor black screen issue myself and rigorously testing numerous solutions, I've identified several effective methods that truly work, and I'm here to share them with you right now. The first method focuses on performing a clean driver reinstallation. Automatic updates can sometimes install corrupted or incompatible driver files, leading to display problems. By completely removing old drivers and installing a fresh, stable version, you ensure that your graphics card and operating system have a proper, conflict-free communication pathway, which is essential for a stable display. Next, we look at disabling problematic automatic updates. Unwanted driver updates can often be the root cause of these black screen issues, as new versions might not be fully optimized or compatible with your specific hardware configuration. Stopping these updates gives you control, preventing future conflicts and ensuring system stability. Our third approach involves adjusting your display settings. Sometimes after an update, your monitor might default to an unsupported resolution or refresh rate, causing a blank screen. By resetting these settings to basic, compatible values, you can force your display to re-establish a stable connection, and then gradually adjust them back. Finally, we consider a thorough hardware check. Loose or improperly connected cables are a surprisingly common cause of display issues. Ensuring all your monitor and graphics card connections are secure guarantees the display signal can travel without interruption, often bringing your screen back to life instantly.